Alright y'all, what's going on? Stepping out the old deer club. The camera's all messed up, it's bright out here. I haven't checked out the last video when we were down here setting up corn. I told you we had a special guest coming in, that being Kendall Gray. He's an awesome guy. This is my first time meeting him. He's really cool. The clips you're watching right now is the boys down there at the range today at the deer club. So the way I am, they're actually at the big stand right now. They had their videos planned out about them wanting to shoot a little bit of long range, so that's why they were getting their rifles ready. 3 people's already pushing it in that stand, and they had all the tripods and whatnot, so I just told them you guys go have fun. I'll just hang back here. We'll have more days this week to go out there and hunt and all be together. So I'm currently holding down the old deer club. It is a little bit upsetting that the one time I don't go, we think we shot a bobcat. I think Braden said he was like 250 yards. It should be down. We'll hopefully go see him in a little bit, and when they come back, they should be bringing back a couple deer or whatnot. But I want to pick y'all up so when they do come back, you guys get to see Kendall and hopefully a bobcat and another deer. So should be coming around about dark. They might come pick me up to go look for it too. They might just bring everything back. But with that being said, let's wait for the boys to get back. So we just got back to the deer club. Apparently a bobcat was hit but was not found. We had a little bit of fur, just the way it goes. Those little things are so small and the fur's gonna absorb a lot of the blood. So we couldn't find them, but either way, the deer, they really weren't out tonight, so no one came back with anything. But we'll be back tomorrow and hopefully be back on the hunt. The boys are walking out. You guys know we love guns. Kendall's in town, so we're just gonna run around to some of our little pawn shops, probably honestly Anton's is where we always go. He's got the best stuff on the market. We love going out there and hanging out. We might even pick one up. So let's head to the gun shop. Kendall, good luck.
Does everybody have everything? I'm trying to kill a deer with a pistol. What in the world am I doing?
Alright, y'all, you can see that we're up here in the big stand. It's me and Garrett.
Hey.
Kendall and Braden went to another stand. They're gonna try to shoot a deer with a pistol. So Garrett and I thought, let's just come up here to the big stand and see if we can get. Garrett's actually after a buck. It's got a double white, like patch chest. It's really unique. So I'm really crossing my fingers that that walks out today so Garrett can get it. Watching that side, I'm watching this side. Let's see what comes out. Because I about blew my hat off and I about went backwards out of this freaking stand. Yeah, my camera's seeing black.
Alright, well.
Son of a bitch, dude.
That sucked.
Alright, y'all, it's hard to see. My camera sucks, but I tried to film it as best I can. We wound up having 3 deer, possibly 4, walk out on Garrett's side. One of them was a buck. We thought it was Garrett's buck, but it's getting so dark so fast. Where's my light? It was just rushing, trying to follow the deer with my camera so we can kind of, because I'm trying to help Garrett film too, so it's just a lot going on with just 2 people trying to focus on one thing in that type of situation. So Garrett wound up shooting. It was just pretty much a blob when that's all we could see. So we're gonna walk over there, try to see if we can find a little bit of blood. If so, we'll start looking for him or wait for the boys or whatever we're gonna do. But it's dark. That's all I have to film on. The camera sucks filming tonight, so let's just go walk over there. And Garrett, I hope you got him, dude.
Me too.
You shot it a doe, so let's hope she's over there. Currently raining. Oh, I just stepped in a nice big massive puddle of water. It's gonna feel real nice on the feet.
Love that.
I hope you got him, Garrett.
There was a bunch of them out there. It all happened so fast.
Like,
actually, it didn't really happen fast. It more just, it was getting so dark.
Can't see.
Yeah.
We can't see, that's the issue. We've been on so many hunts, but that was probably the most stressful situation I think I've ever been in for hunting, dude.
Camera batteries were dying, we couldn't see anything.
scope wouldn't zoom in far enough. It was fantastic.
I got blasted by your shot. You about blew my hat off. I was so close to your barrel trying to, huh?
I told you to put the headphones on.
It's all right.
Like 5 or 6 walk out on us.
Yeah, we're getting up to the spot. I'll pick y'all up and hopefully we can find a trail. Well, we got some fur, but I would just laugh with Garrett because, I mean, where else do you have white? On the inside of the tail? I mean, I don't know what.
Maybe I shot her in the ass.
I don't know what that means right there, but no blood so far. All right, so we came over here to their stand. Kendall, you got your deer, dude.
Oh yeah, yeah, big doe.
It's nice though.
Here's something cool about it. I just was feeling around and felt a big knot in there, so I cut it open. Turns out the bullet didn't exit, but there it is.
That's crazy.
I mean, it
man.
mushroomed good, but it didn't exit. So.
How far was she?
9 yards.
Wow. Yeah, that's an awesome pistol hunt, dude. She's a good doe. She probably weighs like
400 or 500. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you think. Back over here where Garrett and I were hunting. This dog's pretty intelligent. He's over here now, so let's just let him run around and see if he can find this deer. It's our best shot of getting them.
See what the dog's got.
So the dog's been running around. Sadly, I don't think we're gonna be able to cover this deer, but he did say when the dog was running in the woods, he came up to, it looked like a pretty damn big deer, but he touched nose at him, didn't care. That dog's tracking a dead deer that's kind of injured, and that one was live, just bedded down. So we're gonna go over here and try to track a bobcat that was hit, what, two days ago?
Yep.
So
yesterday, right?
Yeah, yesterday.
Actually 2 days ago.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah. Well,
2 days ago.
Either day, we're gonna go track it and hopefully try to see if we can find this bobcat. This dog's pretty smart, so fingers crossed. Alright, y'all, just actually got in my truck. I'm heading back home. Just wanted to jump on here and say a couple things about the hunt. Guys, I didn't even get to shoot at it, I was super excited for Garrett to go ahead and just try to get one. The conditions were super bad, but overall, I filmed every single day that Kendall was down here. Me and him actually became pretty good friends, so I wanted to like not forget all this footage and do something with it. So I pieced it all together. I got to film everyone having fun, even though we were all kind of split up. Alright, so while I'm editing this video, in my outro, I forgot to mention something super important. I think you guys are gonna get a kick out of this. Kendall and I actually came up with a challenge that he sent me home to do. And I just wanted to mention that in this video because it's gonna be pretty exciting to try to pull this off. It's a fishing challenge, and guys, hint, we're in the middle of December right now, so fishing's already pretty complicated. And this dude sent me out with a pretty complicating challenge to see if I can pull it off. And you guys know I'm a fishing son of a gun, so I'm super excited about that. I just didn't get to mention it in the outro, so here we are catching up. I was filming that when I was driving home. Now I'm home, so guys, we're back at it. More K10 projects, be looking out for those. And like I said, the old fishing challenge. All the OG fans remember how much I used to fish and film, so it's kind of cool to bring that back, and Kendall's involved with it too. So guys, with that being said, be looking for that video. Appreciate you watching. Until next time, Lit and Bass TV.